Hello guys, and today, another 1.20 video. I know it's not a new snapshot, but today we're going to see a sniffer egg hatch in 10 minutes, spawn a sniffer with spawn egg, and see a snifflet. Yeah. And just for a tip to hatch this thing, if it hatches faster on a moss block, I wouldn't have enough time if I didn't put it on a moss block. Yeah, because if I didn't put it on a moss block, it would grow for it would take 20 minutes, but moss block, 10 minutes, which I only have 15 minutes for this video. Good thing I would have 5 minutes left over. And should we spawn in the sniffer right now? I'll let you decide. You said yes? Okay. Spawn in. Yeah, I know. I mentioned this in one of my other videos about the sniffer. And it's a giant mob. It's a few pixels taller than you. Just like the husk. You can already see here that it's a few pixels small, that we're a few pixels smaller than him, as you can see there. Yeah. And it should take some time for the sniffer egg to get a little crack inside it. It will eventually. Yeah, I saw it before. I saw it on Minecraft Monthly too. But sadly, doesn't have the animation. Let's spawn in 2 more sniffers. Yay. Yeah. Come on, it has to hatch at any moment. Well, at least it will hatch, yeah. It'll take some minutes though. Guess we gotta be patient. If we wanna be patient, we should dig out some sus blocks or even see what some suspicious stew potions. First, I'm gonna dig out forgot the brush. And should turn back into regular sand. Yeah, if you place it, no item comes out. Yeah. I can see my video right now. Oh. I'll get that seed after I'm done. Okay. Yeah, the snippers are the happiest mob in Minecraft. Oh, and look, one of the new seeds. The pitcher seed. Oh, there's even a torchflower seed too. As you can see there, look. It got a little crack inside it. If I break it, I'm gonna be so mad. Yeah, I'm gonna get a hoe to at least plant this. Ignore that achievement! Another torch flower. Nice. Now, I'm gonna let these grow. No, I should do the torch flower there instead. Wait a minute. Has no water. Not you. There. Let me give it some water. It has no animation for when the sniffer egg hatches, though. Sad. So sad. These plants should grow sometime with the water. Let me give it some light, too. if you don't have enough light, your crops will never grow. Yeah. I'll give him light too. I think that seems much good too. I'm waiting for it to get the other crack. Yeah, I think there's 2 cracks and then the sniffer born. Well, just gotta wait. And I'm not doing any pausing on this video. Oh, as you can see, look. Stage 1 of this one. No, actually it's stage 2 now. As you can see, it's actually growing into something. Wonder what grow into. Wait a minute, I think I saw all 5 stages now of it. Well, cool. It does have 5 stages. In our other video, we saw 4 stages, and now here's the 5th one. So, it does have 5 stages, and this one only has 3. Why are you not getting hydrated? Why? Well, I'm just gonna look. I think the sniffer wants to take care of that egg. I'm the one who placed down the egg, you know, sniffer. When this egg hatches, it's not gonna be a sniffer. It's gonna be a snifflet. I know, they call it the sniffer egg. When it hatches into a snifflet, not a sniffer. Very weird. I think it just hatched some more. Yeah, it did. As you can see here, hatched some more. Okay. So now we just need to wait. Should hatch pretty soon. By the way, let's spawn in another sniffer. And another one. This other one is going to be on top of the tree, okay? This egg has to hatch before my time runs out. It should before my time runs out, because I planted it on a moss block. If I didn't know if that tip, I wouldn't be able to do the video today. Which I know everybody would like a new video. So the firstie, this one was introduced in my video, everything added in Snapshot 23 W07A. This other one was introduced in Snapshot 23 W12A. Oh, finally that hydrated. I think that sniffer wants to, yeah, it definitely wants to take care of that egg. Let me just brush your moss block. As you can see here, it's brushing it. Hold on, let me just get the angle right, okay? There. Now it might see better, okay? Well, the sniffer egg is still hatching on that moss block. I'll give it some bushes. It will take some bushes, definitely. Hopefully we didn't miss it hatch. I'll give it a place to get out. Maybe all of them should be flowered. Yeah, all of them. Should hatch pretty soon. This is going to be added to the playlist too. these are still growing too, just like that snifflet inside of that egg. I know there's other types of eggs, like the ender dragon egg, or the chicken egg, or the turtle egg, yeah. And there even is, hold on. Okay, so we're back at it. Sorry. I think this didn't take 15 minutes after all. Maybe the person I talked to was wrong. Maybe it was more than 15 minutes. Well, obviously it is now. I know it. Well, still hatching. Still hatching. These two plants are still growing. Still growing. Oh! Time for the sniffer! And guys, that was all we have time for today. Sorry, I may have used more time than I was supposed to have, but yeah. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Our goal is 20 subscribers. And goodbye, guys. See you next time.